Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change Toyota Camry oil. First, gather your essential tools, including a 13mm wrench, an oil filter wrench, and a drain pan. You'll also need 4 1/2 quarts of new 5W30 engine oil and a fresh oil filter. Always park your vehicle on a level surface and engage the parking brake for safety before starting any work. Now, let's drain the old oil. Safely raise your vehicle using a jack and jack stands or drive onto ramps. Locate the oil drain plug, typically a 14mm bolt, on the bottom of the oil pan. Position your drain pan directly beneath it. Carefully remove the plug and let the old oil drain completely, which usually takes about 10 to 15 minutes. With the old oil drained, it's time to replace the filter. Use an oil filter wrench to remove the old filter, being mindful of any residual oil. Before installing the new filter, apply a thin layer of fresh oil to its rubber gasket. Hand tighten the new filter until snug, then give it an additional 1/4 to 1/2 turn. Finally, pour in approximately 4 1/2 quarts of new 5W30 engine oil. After refilling, lower your vehicle and check the oil level using the dipstick. Add more oil if necessary to reach the full mark. Start the engine and let it run for about 30 seconds to circulate the new oil, then turn it off and recheck the level. Remember to properly dispose of the used engine oil at an authorized recycling center. Never pour it down the drain.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.